Hi guys, let's review Oukitel WP8 Pro IP68 and IP69K waterproof Ruggedphone. We can make global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience in Ruggedphones, Xiaomi global version smartphones since 2010. We can make free import duty to Europe Union countries. By fast shipping, we can deliver the global version Ruggedphones and Xiaomi global version smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and other cities in mainland of China. If you like the Ruggedphone, you can place us the order directly. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you want to make B2B the business of Ruggedphones and Xiaomi global version smartphones, you can contact with us. I will put a B2B the business contact link below the video. And Oukitel WP8 Pro is a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, water drop display, 1560 pixels by 720 pixels. Its CPU is MTK6762D octa-core, Android 10 operating system, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. It supports dual nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. And its front camera is 8 megapixel. Its main camera are triple camera, 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 0.3 megapixel. And the battery built-in is 5000 mAh battery built-in. It supports NFC, fingerprint, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, and Bluetooth. Okay, now let's review the Ruggedphone. Oukitel WP8 Pro. Here's the menu. Here's the warranty certificate. And it supports OTG. Here's OTG cable. Here's micro USB cable. Here's the charger. Very good quality charger. Here's the phone. The battery supports 5V 2A 10W fast battery charging, Android 10 operating system. It supports Face ID. Here's fast button. You can set up as SOS the from camera, and internet as the button as you want. Here's the volume down, volume up. Here's headphone jack, SIM card slot. The SIM card slot supports dual nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Fingerprint sensor. It supports NFC. Okay, now let's turn it on. It has turned on already. It supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store. About the phone, Android 10 operating system. Connect device, NFC function. System. Here are all the language menus it supports. Global language menu. Let's make a photo to see the phone's quality. The photo quality, can see the details super clearly. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly. We will make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of Ruggedphones and Xiaomi global version smartphones, you can contact with us. That's all. Thank you for watching.